Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to beef up your CFMOTO Knuckles so this arm here does not bend again, ever again. We're going to take this piece of steel. This steel is 3/8 of an inch thick. It's thick, it's durable. Let's cut it and we'll show you what you got to do. Alright, so we got our little pieces of metal cut and we beveled all the edges. Makes better for welding. So now we have to clean the paint off of this piece. These are going to get welded on here just like so. They should weld up pretty good. Let's get the grinder out and get it finished off. We got these all cleaned up, ready to be welded. Not bad welds. Let's set that sucker aside. Now we got that all gusseted up. Let's clean it up. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. We went ahead and painted these bad puppies. Now they are much stronger than what they was before. And I want to add, before I get all the comments, that I didn't do them right because I should have heated the cast up with a torch before I welded it. And what I want to say to that, because I know it's coming, is it's not a space shuttle. We ain't going to the moon. It's not like if those welds break, you're gonna die. And I've welded many different parts and pieces like this and never had an issue. But you gotta have your welds pretty hot, and I had mine very hot. So they're fine, they're on there. They're stronger. They should not bend anymore. So at least that's what we can hope for anyway. I want to remind you guys, if you need anything CFMOTO wise, parts, accessories, performance parts, make sure you go check out Main Street Cycle and they can hook you up. Definitely let them know Redneck Garage sent you. You can hit them up on their Facebook page. You can call them, text them. You can go on their web page. And actually, if you go on their web page, ordering parts is much, much easier because now they got diagrams and stuff up there. And it is a work in progress. Every day they're adding more stuff to it. So it takes time, but they'll get there. And I hope that you guys learned how to do this. Now I must say, my machine has well over 2,000 miles on it. And I was running her a lot harder than I normally do. And mine bent. So if you guys want to see a video on how to press in bearings on these and install them on the side-by-side, let me know. That video will be coming. I just don't know when. Probably going to be in a couple of weeks because I got a lot of videos that are planned and coming up. So we will do that. But we have some 950 videos coming as of next week. Not this coming week, but the week after. So make sure you stay tuned for those. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss any more of our future upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one. As always, peace out.